Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can change audio speed in Adobe Audition so that you can make the audio playback faster or slower. So at the minute, if I open Adobe Audition up, I have this sample audio in, so I'll just play it so that you can hear what it currently sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so now you've heard the sample audio, we will now go over how to change the playback speed of it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to select the section of audio that you want to change the playback speed of. I'm just going to select all of the audio, and then once you have made your selection, you then want to come up to Effects, then come down to Time and Pitch, and you then want to click on Stretch and Pitch. Now to change the playback speed, you want to have the pitch shift set to 0 semitones so that it doesn't change the pitch of the actual audio, and then you want to adjust the stretch value. So at 100%, that will just be normal speed, and then if you reduce the percentage any lower than 100%, then that means the audio will play back faster, and if you have it larger than 100%, then the audio will play back slower. So for example, if I change the stretch value to 50% and I apply it, that will then make the audio play back twice as fast. So if I now play the audio with the stretch set to 50%, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you should be able to hear, it is now twice as fast. So I'll just undo that effect, and this time we will come back into Time and Pitch and Stretch and Pitch, and we will change the stretch from 50% to 200%. So this time the audio should be half as fast as it originally was, as we've changed it from 100% to 200%. So if I apply that effect, and now if I play the audio for you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can hear, it is now half the speed. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.